NVIDIA says AI answers just got 75% cheaper, and the same week we get a new jailbreak method that works across safeguards. Cheaper scale plus easier bypasses is a fun combo for whoever owns the on-call schedule.
Hey, it is Wednesday, February 18th. 3 stories today: a big cost drop, a huge memory jump, and a fresh jailbreak. NVIDIA is claiming its Blackwell Ultra setup cuts AI serving costs by 75%. If your product spends $200,000 a month generating AI outputs, that points to $50,000 for the same volume before you change anything else. That kind of delta forces a spreadsheet rewrite.
Fine, but who pays when that same volume turns into 5 times the usage because it feels cheap? I have seen this movie. The support ticket says, "Your agent sent the wrong email to the wrong customer." And then legal asks for tamper-proof records you never budgeted for. If I were signing that contract, I would change how we price our own product. Pick one: pass the savings through, or keep price and let customers run deeper workflows. Then set a hard cap on actions per day, because cheaper compute turns oops into oops at scale. I can live with hard cap if it is real. If the cap is a slide deck number and the system ignores it at 2 a.m., I am still the one explaining it to the auditor.
Anthropic just shipped Claude Sonnet 4.6, and people are reporting a version that can hold about 1 million words of text at once, in beta, at Sonnet pricing. The practical implication is simple. You can include a full customer case file in one request instead of stitching summaries together. That can remove an entire failure point in the product.
I like include the whole file, because brittle summary pipelines have been a constant source of weird customer replies. My worry is latency and cost spikes. If your busiest customer hits that huge input 10 times an hour, what happens to response time and your bill? Treat it like a premium lane with explicit limits, not a default path for every user. Put a per-customer ceiling in writing, and add a simple alert when someone is about to hit it. Honestly, I do not know how stable the million-word beta is under messy, real documents, but you can find out fast by testing your ugliest files this week. I will believe it when the support ticket volume goes down, not when the demo looks clean. Still, if it lets us delete one fragile step in the workflow, I am listening.
The UK AI Security Institute published a universal jailbreak method, and OpenAI says it shipped mitigations. The point is not the specific trick. The point is that refusals are not a control you can bet the company on once an agent can touch customer data or take real actions.
Great. Now explain that to the auditor without saying, "The model said no." If your agent can move money, change a record, or send an email, I want a way to reverse the change. And I want tamper-proof records, because trust us does not survive a breach review. Assume the jailbreak succeeds and design from there. Lock down which tools the agent can use, and force human approval on the single highest impact action in your product. If you do only one thing this week, add a one-click undo for that action, and make sure it is logged. That is the first advice today I would actually sign my name under. Fine, ship slower for a week if it means I am not writing an incident memo later. As Elon Musk put it, Grok will move away from traditional academic benchmarks like humanity's last exam to prioritize maximal utility for real-world engineering and software development. Utility is great. I am still asking who is on the hook when utility breaks a customer account. On Blackwell Ultra savings, lower price or fund human approval and undo.
This is readme.ai from Chain of Thought. See you tomorrow.